In the government's latest response,
you must stay at home.
Master of the house, doling out the charm.
It's very important that everyone
know that you are not alone.
Alright, so here's a quick video showing you how to use VLookup, the world's best formula. Well, it's not. It's now XLookup is the world's best formula, but whatever, that's not what we're doing today. So, we want to be able to pull out of a list of names here, and we might even, let's rearrange, cancel. Let's rearrange this data here according to alphabet. And the reason we're doing that is that way it's in a different order from where it's coming from. So if we just go to data, sort, we got A to Z, that's good. Okay, so I want to know what class these students are in. So we've got Amy Madison right here, you know, Barbara Gordon, Billy Batson, they're our students. So the student data comes from this selection here. We want to pull this class out, but you'll notice again, I mean, we just did this, they're in a different order, and that's so that this works. So let's check it out. So if we first go equals VLookup, that's the one we want. First we want is the lookup value, so that's this one right here. And then you want to fix that. And the reason you want to fix it is so that when we drag it down, that doesn't change. The table array that we're pulling it out of is this table here. There's an easy way to do that. Start there. Now I've just pressed the button to come across. We can label these directly, but it's easier if we just click on it and bring it across. Okay, that's the table I want it to come out of. Oh, not yet, not yet. Too few arguments, not ready to go. Comma. Now the column index number, so VLookup, this is where XLookup is a bit superior. VLookup works by knowing which column to pull the information out of. So we've got Amy Madison there, and we want, actually, while we're doing this, we're going to, out of that, I want to click here and I want to fix this. Let's press F4 to fix these. That means, again, when we drag it down, that will stay exactly where it's going to be on the next page. Back here, column index number. So we need to know how many columns across from the left. So this is the downside with VLookup, is that it only works left to right. So we go, so this is the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got to now blur that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we want it to go. So delete that. And this might be causing some of the problems, is that when you click across the count. So we want to go 5 columns. And we want, so see how we click this false here? We want to press tab on the false so we get an exact match. And then if we double click there, it'll drag it all the way down. Now, and we've hit our first error. I did not want to fix A2. That's the one I didn't want to fix. I wanted to fix everything else. So now if we do that, and we're good, right? So Andrew Wells, we're just going to check our data here. There's Andrew Wells, he's in Science A. Barbara Gordon, however, if we go down to Barbara Gordon, should be down here somewhere. Where are you, Barbara Gordon? So if we go Control F, just to find, you type in Gordon, find the next one. Barbara Gordon is in class 2, so our formula works, and that's it. So you remember, you type in the cell next to it, give it a reference. You use the name followed by an exclamation point, or you just go across and click on highlight your range, and you want to make it false. Okay, I hope that helps. Sweet, see ya.